everyone! Today we are back on the Lofoten Islands with our latest autumn photo expedition. And we have brought something new to test. The Case CPL3 polarizing filter. This filter is now hitting the market, so let's check out what it can do.
The Case CPL3 is designed to be the perfect polarizing filter. Some of its key features include reducing ghosting and glare when shooting night scenes or in strong light. The CPL3 also has ultra-low reflectivity and its effect shouldn't negatively impact 4K or 8K video recording. The manufacturer claims that color reproduction is better, the sky looks bluer, and the trees appear greener. However, we'll quickly note that we don't use polarizing filters on the sky, as their effect can increase and decrease depending on the angle to the sun, which can result in unattractive blue patches. Now, let's see how the filter performs in the field. Just stand at the right angle to the sun and rotate the filter back and forth to observe its effect. Honestly, the filter works really well. We didn't notice any unwanted color shifts, on the contrary, it reproduces colors faithfully with a pleasant saturation. It handles night scenes and strong light sources excellently. Most filters tend to create ghosting and glares in these situations, but with the Case CPL3 that has been reduced to almost nothing. So, the verdict. Are we going to use it for shooting content on our YouTube channel? Definitely yes.